Hello, good afternoon, student. I am Isa Siddiqui. Today I am going to discuss chemistry of 9th class. And the topic is mole concept, subtopic is formula related to moles. What are the formulas by which we can calculate the moles in a given sample? So first formula, that is number of mole is equal to given mass of a sample divided by particle mass or weight particles may be atoms, molecules or ions. So particle may be atoms, molecules or ions. So in case of atom, number of mole is equal to given mass divided by atomic mass. In case of molecule, number of mole is equal to given mass divided by molecular mass. Okay. So in this way we can calculate number of moles. In case of atom, number of moles is equal to given mass divided by atomic mass. In case of molecule, number of moles is equal to given mass divided by molecular mass. In case of iron, number of mole is equal to given mass divided by ionic mass. In case of iron, number of moles is equal to given mass divided by ionic mass. Okay. So in this way we can calculate number of moles. Number of moles is always represented with the help of small n. Okay. So this is the first formula which is related to moles. I am going to discuss the question related to this particular formula. First question, calculate number of moles present in 16 gram of dioxygen. 16 gram of dioxygen. Okay. So the given mass is equal to 16 gram. Dioxygen means it is a molecule. So molecular mass of oxygen is equal to 2 into 16, because atomic mass of oxygen is 16, so number of atom is 2, to 2 into 16, that is 32. So number of moles is equal to given mass divided by molecular mass of oxygen. So given mass is equal to 16, molecular mass is equal to 32. 16 1 the 16 and 16 to the 32, so it is equal to 1 by 2, that is 0.5. So number of moles is equal to 0.5. So in this way we can calculate the number of moles in a particular question. In this question the given sample is for molecule, that is O2. Next question, which is related to atoms. Question number 2. Calculate number of moles present in 46 gram of sodium. 46 gram of sodium. So in this case sodium is a present in form of atom. So given mass is equal to 46 gram, and atomic mass of sodium, is equal to 23. So number of moles is equal to given mass divided by atomic mass of sodium. So the given mass is 46 gram and atomic mass is 23. So 23 to the 46. So number of moles is equal to 2. In this case given mass is taken in gram and atomic mass is also taken in gram. So gram and grams cancel. So we get only a particular number. So number of moles is equal to 2. So in this way we can calculate number of moles in a given sample. Okay. That is next question, which is related to ions. Question number 3. Calculate number of ions present in 160 gram of calcium. Calculate the number of calcium ion present in 160 gram of calcium. Okay, so given mass is equal to 160 gram and ionic mass of calcium is 40. Okay, so number of moles is equal to given mass divided by ionic mass of calcium. So given mass 160 gram and ionic mass 40 gram. Gram cancel, 0 cancel, 4 the 16. So total number of moles N is equal to 4. So in this way we can calculate the number of moles in a particular sample. Okay. Next question, which is related to second formula of moles. What is the second formula of moles? Second formula of moles, that is number of moles is equal to number of particles divided by Na. Na is equal to Avogadro number, which is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Okay. So number of moles, second formula is number of moles is equal to capital N divided by Na. Capital N is equal to number of particles. Particles may be atom, may be molecule, may be ions. Okay. So particle may be atoms, may be molecules, may be ions. So the second formula is number of moles is equal to number of particles divided by Avogadro number. So I am going to discuss the question related to this particular formula. Okay. So question, the formula is number of moles is equal to N divided by Na. First question related to this particular formula, calculate number of atoms present in 48 gram of O3, that is ozone. This is the formula of ozone, not oxygen. Calculate the number of atoms present in 48 gram of O3. Okay. So first of all, you are required to calculate number of moles. So number of moles is equal to given mass divided by molecular mass, because O3 is a molecule. So the given mass is equal to 48 gram. What is the molecular mass of ozone? O3 16 into 3 or 3 into 16, that is 48. So it is equal to 48 gram. Gram cancel. The number of moles is equal to 1. Okay. So first you are required to calculate number of moles. Then next is you are required to calculate number of molecules, because in this question the sample is for molecule, that is O3. So you are required to calculate number of molecules of ozone. Number of molecules of ozone is equal to number of moles into Na. By cross multiplication we get N is equal to N into Na. Okay. So you are required to calculate number of ozone molecule. So number of ozone molecule is equal to number of moles into Na. Na is a fixed number, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So 1 into Na. So 1 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So number of molecules is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Next is number of atoms, because the question is related to calculate the number of atoms. So in O3 total number of atom is equal to 3. So number of atoms is equal to 3 into number of molecules, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So 3 to the 6, 3 to the 6, 3 0 the 0, 3 6 the 18 into 10 to the power 23. So number of atom is equal to 18.066 into 10 to the power 23. So in this way we can calculate the number of atoms in a given sample. Okay. So in next video I will discuss next point which is related to moles. That is third point, volume of any gas at STP. That is volume of 1 mole of any gas. Volume of 1 mole of any gas at STP is equal to 22.4 liter. STP means standard temperature pressure. Standard temperature and pressure. In next video I will discuss in detail. Thank you for watching the video.